it closer. What does a cow say?
Moo.
What does a chicken say?
Ba ba.
What does a sheep say?
Ba.
What does a pig say?
We always.
That's right. What does a dog say?
Ruff, ruff.
What does a kitty cat say?
Meow.
What does a snake say? What does a bee say? Okay, what does a horse say?
No.
What does a mouse say?
Chee chee.
What does a lion say?
Four.
What does an elephant say?
What?
You don't want to do the elephant? Come here, show them. Can you show them what the elephant does? Go have a drink of water first. That's what the elephant says. There you go. Good job. What does a frog say?
Bebe, bebe.
Good job. What does a bird say? A bird.
Tea-tap, tea-tap, tea-tap.
Chirp, 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 chirp.
No, it says tea-tap.
Okay.
Ella, tea-tap, 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 tea-tap. Hey. I have the noisy one.
Another sip of water. We can't think of any other animals to ask you what they say. What about, what does Daddy say? What does Mommy say?
What's
What does Vera say?
this?
All right.